And today we're going to take a look at our final shape and find the volume of it. And this shape is going to be a pyramid. So the volume formula for a pyramid, you can see right here, is 1/3 times B times H. B is the area of the base. H is the height of the figure. Now, once again, we can write this a different way. We can write it like this. BH over 3. Again, same formula as the first one, just written a different way, multiplying by 1/3 or dividing by 3. In this video, I'll be using this one often, but if you use this one, it works just the same. Okay, let's jump right into our first problem. Find the volume of a square pyramid whose base perimeter is 44 and height is 23. So the height is 23. The base perimeter is 44, so the perimeter here is 44. There's 4 sides. It's a square. Each one must be 11. So our volume formula is BH over 3. And we know everything we need for this one. B, since it's just a square, is just 11 times 11, or 11 squared. So B is 121. So our volume formula is 121 times the height, which is 23, over 3. And that can go straight into our calculator. And let's see what we get back. If we round it, it would be 927.67 cubic meters. If we want an exact answer, if we don't divide that by 3, it would be 2783 over 3 cubic meters. Second one, find the volume of a square pyramid, base, edge, length 6. So all these are 6 since it's a square. And the slant height is 5. So this line right there is 5. All right, so our volume formula is BH over 3. We know B pretty easily here is 6 squared, which is 36. But we don't know the height. So the height is this line right here. We don't know that. We also don't know the apothem, but we do know the apothem. If all the way across here would be 6, the apothem would be 3. So we can use Pythagorean theorem, 3 squared plus h squared equals 5 squared. And if we solve that, we should get h is 4. So now my volume is going to be 36 times 4 over 3. And our volume is 48 cubic centimeters. Number 3, find the volume of the regular hexagonal pyramid with height 10 around the nearest hundredth. So our volume formula, once again, is BH over 3. We already have h is 10. Now we got to find the area of the base. So remember, the area of the base here is going to be apothem perimeter over 2. The perimeter we already know, since there's 6 sides and they're all 12, the perimeter is 72. But we don't know the apothem. So what we got to do for this one is we got to draw in our apothem. There it is. There's our apothem right there. This is 6. This is 6. And you remember back when we did the regular hexagons, 360 over 6 is 60. And then cut that in half, we get 30. So these angles here are 30. So drawing our triangle separately, we get 6, 30, 90, and A. So if we do tangent of 30 equals 6 over A equals 6 over tangent 30, which is approximately 10.392. That number goes here for the apothem. So 10.392 times 72 divided by 2, our B is 374.123. Back up to our volume formula. B is 374.123. The height was given to us at 10 over 3. And our final answer is 1,247.08 cubic feet. Okay, the next problem is a pentagonal pyramid, done very similar to this one. So I would ask that you pause this video at this point and try number 4 on your own. When you're done, unpause the video and check your work. Okay, here's the work and answer for number 4. Number 5, a triangular pyramid has an equilateral triangle as its base with a perimeter of 30, so which means each of these sides is 10. The height is 12. Find the volume of the pyramid. All right, so our volume formula is BH over 3. We already got H. It's 12. So all we got to do is find B. B, in this case, is S squared root 3 over 4. So 10 squared root 3 over 4. Or 100 root 3 over 4. Or 25 root 3. So our volume now is 25 root 3 times 12 over 3, which is going to give us an answer of 100 root 3 cubic inches. It says round to the nearest tenth, so if we type all that in our calculator, we should get our answer of 173.2 cubic inches. All right, there's one last problem here. It involves the pyramids of Egypt. I want you to try this one as well. Pause the video at this point and try it on your own, just so you know this is a square pyramid. So if you need a little guidance, you can scroll back to problem numbers 1 and 2. That's how we did some square pyramids. And when you finish this last problem, you're going to get a very large answer. Unpause the video and check your work. And here is your work and answer for the last problem. 91,636,272 square feet, which makes sense as it's basically a very large building. That will do it for our look at the volume of pyramids. Thanks as always for watching this video.